Hey guys, welcome back. Today is February 2nd, 2021. We are going to analyze Apple, ticker AAPL. Before we do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell notification for all. This way, it will help out the YouTube algorithm and you'll get new content notifications. Also, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. With that being said, let's get to it. Here we are looking at Apple in the daily chart, and looks like the bears are trying to drag Apple down to test 3261 132.61 level again to have some kind of confirmation before testing the EMA level. But right now, Apple seems to have a lot of selling pressure. Maybe people are trying to take profit out of Apple, and what happened in the last week was the sell-off after earning, but with Wall Street bets, it actually dragged Apple down way more than it's supposed to. But I think Apple will test 132.61 before have some confirmation before testing the EMA resistance before testing 135 and 138 resistance. So right now, looking bearish for Apple. However, let's look at 1 week chart. The 1 week chart looking bullish. The bulls and bears are fighting, and I think the bulls have the upper hand for the weekly chart, and we're sitting above the EMA, but the bears needs to come back in to create new series of higher lows, and that should help bring the stock up and create new all-time high. But I think we might see some consolidation sideways for a while before we have confirmation of 132 support before running up, and we didn't really have a nice consolidation phase for the 132 levels. We have tested a couple of times, but it wasn't a strong confirmation. So even though with the stronger earning for Apple, we have sold off after earning, and I think investor wants to see some sideways consolidation consolidation before running up to test new resistance on the previous all-time high levels. On the 8 hours, the bears again trying to drag the stock down to test 132, and it looks like they have the upper hand right now. The bulls need to come in and help Apple to stay above 132.61 before have a confirmation to go up higher. Before hours is looking a little bit more bullish. The bears seems like to lose control in the MACD. It seems like MACD wants to cross, but it might be a couple of days of consolidation before running up. 2 hours, same thing. Bears are losing control, and I think the bulls winning a bit and looking a little bit more bullish for 2 hours. However, we are still testing that EMA support before breaking up and test the 50 SMA resistance, which is around 135.66. So right now we will see this resistance for Apple right around, I would say, right around 135.78. So 1 hour's looking more bullish, but it's a shorter time frame. So in order for Apple to look more bullish, the 4 hours, the bulls need to reverse on the MACD and bring RSI closer to the overbought. But right now, things are looking a little bit bearish for Apple. So, but some sideways consolidation doesn't hurt the stock long term. It will help the stock stay stronger and have that strong support in the 132.61 level. So I think that's all I have for you. I hope you guys like the content. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let's make some money.